Today we are going to deal with this. Papu. Lashes that have been lying on the floor because they could not fit into the drawer. Oh, nasty! Random packaging! Oh my goodness, I still have this. Random lipstick. Lipstick that has fallen into this. Magnetic eyeliners, which are not exactly, they are liners with glue. Brush from Innisfree. Isn't that gross? This gotta go in the trash. Oh my god, look at this ancient thing. Dolly Wink Black Lash Glue. Oh, look at... This is nasty! Ta-da! Random eyeshadow palette. Pretty eyeshadow palette.
Vacuumed the drawer, cleaned it with some rubbing alcohol, and then I started to organize all my lashes.
We're done separating it. These are all the single box lashes. These are the more crazy ones, everyday ones, crazy ones again in the box, more everyday ones which I use. At the back over there are all the single lashes.
And I just simply tried to squeeze all of them into the one drawer.
Anyone want to guess how many tweezers I have? Okay, thank you for watching this video. Bye bye! Bye bye! Bye bye! Bye bye! Bye bye! Bye bye! Oh.